tiptoe. Look, Daddy.
Check this out. One of the coolest wood chippers ever. Look at that thing. That is a serious wood chipper. Dude, this is a serious wood chipper. Look at that thing. See if we can get it on. It's kind of dark. It's got teeth like crazy. Look at that. Yeah, that is crazy wood chipping. There's going to be some massive carnage. Massive, massive carnage. It's nuts. He's going up. There's a lot of poison ivy in there. There's a lot of poison ivy in there. There's a lot of poison ivy in there. There's a lot of poison ivy in there.
That's funny. I'm kind of itchy. Yeah, me too. Real itchy.
Right. What's your name, man?
Hello.
It's alright, can I put you in the vlog? Is that alright,
Sure.
man? Yeah.
Evan.
Why don't you ever go up there, man?
Because I'm too old.
No, man, come on. I'm a little bit nervous for him. I'm not a big heights guy, man.
Yeah, I'm really not either. I can be good off on a mountain. That's about the size.
Yeah, same here, man. Well, he's all the way up there. Oh my gosh.
They had the planes that come over, you know, the planes from DC fly over. Parachuting.
I just want to throw random things in there. Okay, let me show you something here. So on this big mammoth, all right? So these teeth are in there, right? So that thing is gonna take even this size right here. So that's gonna take it no problem. My friend said that they can, even that tree over there, that can rock it. But now, this is the secret right here. I've just been told this is the secret. If you're ever getting pulled in, if you're ever getting pulled into one of these things, if you're ever getting pulled in, you have to push on this thing. It'll spit you out. If you can remember that, because somebody once got sucked in. It'll stop it. That's the secret. Don't forget. Now, if you ever get sucked into one of these machines, it's the lever. It's a lever on the top. It's a lever on the top. All right, we on here? Yeah, we are. Okay, so I know that this is a short vlog, but I just want to say that those guys did their job excellently. And they climbed, I don't know how high that guy ended up climbing. It could have been 50 or 60 feet up. Pretty crazy. I need one of those rope things. That would be a lot of fun, just to be able to plug that thing. That whole machine was so powerful. They said you could take a whole tree 60 or 70 feet long and put it into that machine and it would just zip the whole entire tree. How crazy is that? Listen, if you have one, don't sell it to the mob. You know what I'm saying? But great experience. They did some work on our property. They did some work at the church property. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about this.
That thing's going in, man.